Good morning, everyone. It's a bright morning. And I want to show you the progress of Fake Taxi, the Nissan Sunny B15 projects. I've not even opened the curtains yet, but I'm showing you the project in a bit. So, it's cloudy and a bit some light from the sun inatokea kidogo, and it's looking quite, the weather is very favorable. This would be very nice for a drive. So yeah, here's Fake Taxi, and yeah, we also have a farm here. So let me just show you quickly the farm. The chicken is here, actually here. Yeah, so Shamba petrol head for who? For you. So here is it. I wanted to go and buy some spray so that I can do this grill. These lower sockets for the bumper, and I was also thinking I do the rims. I don't know which color would look nice with the gray, but temporarily I'll paint them black, but I don't have wheel caps. The original color was it was bronze. I don't know if bronze really looks nice, but it was bronze. As you can see, this side started to look clean. Nataka nisafishe, make it look clean. Then this should be changed. So I was thinking maybe I put this this has gone flat. I think it has a puncture. So I was thinking I put this at the back, because this car is front wheel drive. So I buy new tires. These are size 15s. So I buy new tires, put them in the front, to the front. Then bring this one also to the back, because this one has literally worn out completely, together with one in the boot. So yeah, I think basically that is where I'll start from, and make the front look a little bit better. Then maybe I also want to do the side mirror black to look nice. I want to do the side mirror black so that it brings the sporty look in it. I'm starting this simple. Today I didn't manage to go to church. It was a little bit drizzling. Right now it's like around I don't know, it's around 9:30, 10ish. So just woke up, did some research on how I can make this car look nice. So I thought maybe because this part has already been blacked, so this part also, this whole part, I'll spray it black. I just want to put it in a concept way. Me using the spray paint, I want to use the spray paint because I want to see how the car would look if I'd use a more proper paint in a proper paint booth. But this one is just for concept. I want to see how it look, and yeah, join me as I go purchase the paint. I think I'll need how many cans? This is one can, another can, the side mirrors also, those are, so that is 1, 2, 3, around 3 cans, 2 or 3 cans. So let's go and purchase these paint cans in China Square. They have really good prices and variety, so let's go. I've already arrived at Mega City China Square. There it is. I came with the motorbike and I'm ready to go and shop for the sprays. I'll show you the after video when I get back with them, because I don't know about recording inside the mall, so I'm going to see if it's possible. If it's not possible, I'll just show you the type of paints I've bought after I arrived at home. So guys, so I'm back. And I've already packed the motorcycle, but now I don't think we are going to manage to spray this today, because I wanted to do it in the afternoon and it's already afternoon. So I went to China Square, I looked for the spray. I didn't get it, but I managed to get this. It's like an antenna, and yeah, I'll try and put it there. It's silver, it's matching the car actually. It's matching the car. It's the same color. It's drifting kidogo, but it's the same color. So I got that instead, and even though it's small, it's still an upgrade. So I think that will be that for this video. I'm going to follow the things. I might not follow the order, because sasa kama hii, I got it randomly. So it was not in the plan. So I might not follow the order, but I must do whatever I said I'm going to do to it. That's the spray. For now, I'll just fix that and see how it looks. Yeah, let's do it. I don't know what you guys think, but what I think is that it looks pretty nice and pretty sporty. I've not positioned it very well, but I'll have to put a rear window scoop, spoiler, and a ducktail maybe, but a ducktail will do better than a wing for this design, because look at this angle, though, it looks nice. Oh my, you might not see it right now, but pretty looks so sick. So that's that for you. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Cheers.